Hey, what's happening, guys? Here I am again. Look at what just came. An e30. It's a 4-cylinder. It's my buddy over there, Cocodrillo. It's in a stick shift. It's a 4-cylinder though. It's stick shift with 379,000 miles. He's in there. Let's see about the engine. Paint is not good. Okay, this thing's open this way. Let's check the oil on this thing real quick. It has oil. It haven't been registered since 2015. That's what it shows right there. So it has been sitting for a long ass time. So let's get it. BMW, baby. Let's ask for it. See, push start. Okay.
Métele plus.
Clutch. The RPM gauge doesn't work. Let's give it throttle bearing. Let me drive it.
Arrímalo para yo pasar el agua.
Ahí va. Let's see. Okay. Little 4-cylinder. That's like a ticking noise. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be cleaning this engine bay. I'm gonna do some engine degreaser. You guys can see it's really greasy, so I'm gonna use some engine degreaser and the power washer. I'm gonna spray this and then I'm gonna try to get it to start. Once I get it to start, I'm gonna let it run with the degreaser on, and I'm gonna bring it to where I can power wash it. Alright, so let me do that. So the radiator has a big old crack. Other than that, all good and clean. So I have the radiator from a e30. I'm gonna do some research and hopefully I can fix it. But no big deal. Just a little bit of overheating. The interior. Show you guys the interior a little bit. Definitely needs lots of love, which we're gonna give it. See over here, all the carpet needs to be clean. This gasket needs to go back on the door sill. Looks ugly like that. It's all good. Open this. That's our issue. All this yellowish stuff you guys see over here, I think it's like clear coat. Somebody should clear coat over this whole engine bay, trying to make it shiny, and that's what happens. Should have left it alone. I'm gonna wait for that to release some pressure, so I can put some more water, and boom boom. Claro, tenía que...
Hay para cuando yo era niño, como hasta los 8 años, por alguna razón se me hacía muy sencillo jugar con otros niños. O sea, como que es más sencillo con los morros. Sí, alguien llega y, hey, compra, y no.
Gimme! Gimme!
¡Pum! Sí que se fue el huevo, ¿verdad?
Okay. So wait.
Hopefully don't like the selfies.
Yeah. Dale. Dale, dale, dale. Oh. Dale. Dale, 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 dale. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale. Dale, dale. Hold on. Okay. Date para atrás.